2 kilo rice.
4 pesos.
And 1 kilo rice.
What kind of rice is this?
Yeah. Also this one.
Natay kaging lakatan o sundan, apple, orange, o gray.
Yeah. All of this is yeah, good quality one. Yeah.
Right.
No, it's nice.
You want to
Oil.
oil.
Oil is nice.
4 pieces.
4, yeah. Two garlic here.
$48.
48, yeah.
Oh, may kulang ka pa?
48.
118.
48 plus 16.
Yes, nice. And plus, can I also have 1 kilo rice? Only 1 kilo.
What kind of rice, sir?
I take the cheap one. This is good.
55.
The
55, this one 55.
Yeah.
This one?
This one's good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, me only small man. It's small rice. Small man, only small rice.
1 kilo.
Yeah, 1 kilo.
One kilo plus
Plus that one.
55.
Yeah, 119. And
119.
maybe also 1 bottle Tanduay.
Kanduay, ano? Kanduay.
Kanduay,
Yeah.
big, small,
Yeah, big.
light or dark?
Dark.
What is best?
Big.
Light or silicate, light or dark? Dark is strong.
We go for strong.
Dark.
Yeah, you know, my friend, when you go on the road, you think sometimes, should I turn left? Should I turn right? You go right. Dark or strong? So we go dark. Yeah, this one. Yes, please.
Pila man na? 135?
Dark is 155.
155. May plus ano?
I will die. It's going to be very expensive. Yeah? Plus 1 samig.
55 plus 15. 344.
Oh, it's outrageous. Nice.
Yeah. 344 and then di pa ka? Maligo? No, Your change is 656, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Where do you live now?
Just around the corner.
Ah. Okay. Be careful.
Yeah, I'll drive.
Need
Maybe
to
you have two bags. Oh, maybe I'm more from.
This one.
Where is thin here? Yeah, because we all put all together.
Doble.
Yeah, just double it.
1 kilo?
Yeah, 1 kilo. About 1 kilo, I think. Thank you, my sister.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Come back.
Yeah, I will come back. Sir. Morning, sir. Pô, mamado, yeah.